So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can crop a screenshot in MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to crop a screenshot, then this video is for you. Let's get into the video without any delays. So guys, first of all, just go ahead and click a screenshot. In order to do that, just go ahead and tap on Shift, Command and 3, and now you can see it right here that you have successfully screenshotted it. And now go ahead and look at the top bar and you'll see this edit option right here beside the option delete. Just go ahead and tap there and even more new options will pop up. You can see many options right here. The crop option is this one. It says crop right here. If you just press it and you'll see what they're called. It says text style, fill order, border color, shape style, and sign. Just go ahead and tap on crop since this is the one we need. And now choose how you want to crop it. It's very flexible guys and it's very smooth. And once you've selected it, just go ahead and tap on done. And there you go. You have successfully cropped a screenshot on Mac. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.